Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we dive into the world of modern farming and livestock management. Today, we'll be exploring the earning potential of raising 10 Hampshire sheep, a breed known for its impressive growth and meat quality. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just curious about starting your own flock, this topic offers valuable insights into profitability and practical considerations. We encourage you to share your own experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below, as your input helps build a stronger farming community. The Hampshire Sheep breed is known for its distinctive black face and legs, along with a robust, muscular build. These sheep are prized for their rapid growth rates and excellent meat quality, making them a favorite among farmers seeking efficient lamb production. Hampshires are also recognized for their hardiness and adaptability to various climates. Their calm temperament and ease of handling further contribute to their popularity. Overall, the Hampshire breed offers a reliable combination of productivity and manageability, making it a top choice in the livestock industry. Purchasing 10 Hampshire sheep typically requires an initial investment that varies depending on market conditions and the quality of the animals. On average, a healthy Hampshire sheep can cost between $300 and $500, bringing the total investment for 10 sheep to approximately $3,000 $5,000. When selecting sheep, it's important to look for animals with bright eyes, clean coats, and good body condition, as these are indicators of health. Buyers should also request health records and ensure the sheep are free from common diseases. Taking these factors into account helps ensure a strong start for your flock and reduces the risk of future health issues. To properly care for a small flock of 10 sheep, several key pieces of infrastructure and equipment are necessary. A sturdy shelter is important to protect the sheep from harsh weather, providing shade in summer and warmth in winter. Secure fencing, such as woven wire or electric fencing, helps keep the sheep contained and safe from predators. Feeding systems should include hay racks or troughs to keep food clean and accessible, as well as reliable water sources like automatic waterers or clean troughs. Additionally, basic tools for cleaning, shearing, and health management are essential for maintaining the well-being of the flock. Raising Hampshire sheep involves several ongoing costs that are important to consider. Feed is a significant expense, as sheep require a balanced diet of hay, grains, and pasture to maintain their health and productivity. Regular veterinary care is also essential, covering vaccinations, parasite control, and occasional treatments for illness or injury. Maintenance expenses include fencing repairs, shelter upkeep, and equipment replacement. Together, these costs contribute to the overall investment needed to successfully manage a Hampshire sheep flock. Hampshire sheep offer several potential sources of income for farmers and breeders. One primary avenue is the sale of high-quality meat, as Hampshire lamb is known for its flavor and tenderness. Additionally, their wool can be harvested and sold, providing another steady revenue stream. Breeding stock is also in demand, with healthy rams and ewes often sought after by other producers looking to improve their own flocks. By diversifying these income sources, Hampshire sheep can contribute significantly to the profitability of a livestock operation. When estimating the annual revenue from 10 Hampshire sheep, several factors come into play. Hampshire sheep are valued for both their meat and wool, and they typically produce 1 to 2 lambs per year. At current market rates, each sheep can generate income from the sale of lambs, with market lambs fetching between $150 and $200 each. Wool sales add a modest amount, usually around $10 to $15 per fleece annually. Altogether, factoring in meat, wool, and lamb sales, the expected annual revenue from 10 Hampshire sheep can range from $2,000 to $3,000, depending on market conditions and flock productivity. To determine net profit, we subtract the total costs from the estimated revenue. This calculation reveals how much money remains after covering all expenses. Key factors that influence profitability include the accuracy of revenue projections, the efficiency of cost management, and any unexpected expenses that may arise. Market conditions and operational efficiency also play significant roles in shaping the final profit outcome. By carefully analyzing these elements, businesses can better understand and improve their financial performance. To maximize income and minimize costs in your operation, it's essential to focus on several key strategies. Implementing efficient feeding practices, such as using high-quality, locally sourced feed and monitoring animal nutrition, can help reduce waste and improve growth rates. Prioritizing health management through regular veterinary checkups and preventive care reduces the risk of costly diseases. Additionally, exploring direct marketing techniques, like selling products at local markets or online, can help you reach more customers and secure better prices. By combining these approaches, you can enhance profitability while maintaining sustainable practices. Sheep farmers often encounter a range of challenges, from disease management and predator threats to fluctuating market prices. Maintaining flock health requires regular vaccinations, parasite control, and prompt treatment of illnesses. Protecting sheep from predators can be achieved by installing secure fencing and using guard animals like dogs or llamas. To navigate market uncertainties, farmers may diversify their products, such as selling wool, meat, and milk, or explore direct-to-consumer sales. By staying informed about best practices and adapting to changing conditions, sheep farmers can build a resilient and successful operation. In the rolling hills of Iowa, a farmer named Sarah Thompson transformed her family's small operation by introducing Hampshire sheep to her flock. She focused on selective breeding and optimal pasture management, which led to healthier lambs and higher wool yields. Within 3 years, Sarah's farm saw a significant increase in profits, thanks to the breed's rapid growth rates and strong market demand for both meat and wool. Her success story has inspired neighboring farmers to consider Hampshire sheep as a viable and profitable addition to their own operations. Owning a flock of 10 Hampshire sheep can offer a promising source of income. These sheep are valued for their rapid growth rates, high-quality meat, and efficient wool production. With proper care and management, their offspring and byproducts can generate steady returns throughout the year. Investing in Hampshire sheep not only supports sustainable agriculture, but also opens doors to a rewarding business venture. Exploring this opportunity could be a practical step toward financial growth and self-sufficiency. Thank you for watching and spending your time with us today. If you found these insights on smart agriculture helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. We value your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to share your comments or questions below. Your engagement helps us create even more relevant and informative videos for the community.